my god! Wow!
Want to glue? Then watch this video till the end. When it comes to skincare or hair care, often what's inside is that counts. If you want to go to the sustainable way, I have some handy tips for you. Malaika Arora, the hottest mom in the Bollywood, has revealed her beauty secrets in an interview. She told why being vegan changed her life and from diet to skin and skincare. In the interview, Malaika Arora told that there is a simple funda of keeping fit and glowing, which has nothing to do with the fancy diet and skincare routine. She swears by all the vegan diet and vegan skincare. The secret of her skin and skincare routine is most widely searched on Google. This figure is based on monthly search of her beauty regime. In this video, I am going to tell you that one formula which includes 3 powerful ingredients. How to get glowing skin. This data clearly states most people, especially girls, what they are looking for. Girls, if you want people must ask you the secret of glow on your skin, then start using antioxidant. But there is a twist. Animal-based products can be very heavy on the skin and hence have been known to clog the pores. To make a product non-comedogenic, it is required to add a huge number of chemicals and toxins which might fix your small issues but in the back end affect your skin. It's like you want to have dessert at the same time you want to lose fat. Antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E repair the damaged cells. If damaged cells can be repaired, then why it is being always told to prevent your skin from sun? As it is always better because once the damage is done, it is hard to recover the skin to its original state. Now comes to niacinamide. It's basically vitamin D3 which brightens your skin. Animal-based products have the same amount of antioxidant, but it has even much more amount of chemical, toxins and preservatives. Would you choose a product that just gives you a short-term satisfaction but without being noticed, such eventually can have adverse effect on your health? So you want to get it there, I have some few recommendations for you.
बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का.
Forest Essential Eternal Youth Formula Date and Lychee, the Body Shop Vitamin C Face Polish, Dr. Shea Shea Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum, Plum Grapeseed Shea Butter Glow Restore Face Oil Blend, Kiehl's Activated Charcoal Scrub Mask with Tea Tree Oil Vitamin C and Vitamin E. Ingredients are important. Ingredients are just as important for your lunch as they are for what is in your beauty product. N-inositol glucosamine, it is also known as NAC, is derived from the shell of crabs and lobster, and it is to treat uneven skin tone, skin pigmentation. It helps promote your skin regrowth, thus helping in uneven tone skin imperfection. In every Indian family, commonly used day-to-day care products, including moisturizer, body lotion, sunscreen. But what ingredients they have? Have you checked it once? Then check it today. Lanolin. It is a waxy secretion that is produced by sheep. It is an emollient that forms a thin, oily layer on your skin, thus prevent the loss of moisture from the skin to the atmosphere. Emollients are an important part of all the moisturizing creams and lotions. Just because these animal-based products go through so many processes during their manufacturing, this causes a rising number of people that are developing allergies, acne or other skin-related problems. It is surprising how vegan-friendly skincare spin can change the entire picture of your skin without being brutally derived from animals, and these brands will accelerate your process in order to get so. Brands like Plum, Forest Essential, Soulflower, The Body Shop and juice chemistry. Next, we have natural oils. Who is the best warrior when it comes to save the skin? Any guess? Magical moisturizer, hyaluronic acid, also known as sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronanium and hyalin. But from where did it come from? It is made from a rooster comb, animal eyeballs and giblets. Whereas in vegan, it is replaced by the rosehip and jojoba seed oil. Who is the culprit in general when it comes to skin issues? Any guess? Acne. These are basically major cause. One is the heavy animal based product when get absorbed by the skin clogged your pores. And there is a right of myth arise that oil cause acne and bumps, but the truth is vegan natural essential oils help the skin retain water for deep and hydrate the skin, and can make your skin soft appear more and radiant, also enhance the natural radiance of dull skin. Natural ingredients such as tea tree oil purify the skin and also popularly known as to remove the excess oil and impurities, thus helping treating your acne. There is a huge green flag for anyone who is interested in keeping their skin happy, healthy and glowing. Beyond just helping with the stubborn pimples and acne, going vegan can also improve your complexion. Veganism is not just a trend but the way of life. Now the third main ingredient, which is called as gold in skincare, minerals. Now let me tell you what's the concept of minerals. It creates a barrier between the skin and the environment to protect it from elements like wind and pollution. Also, it slips into the cracks between the cell to create a smoother texture and prevent transepidermal water loss too. In fact, it actually one of the best thing for eczema. From our childhood till now, Nani ke nukse save us from chemical preservative and toxins. And this is so because they are made for everything that is plant based. If you have dry, oily or sensitive skin, they have something for everyone. And the same principle is used in veganism skincare routine. Keep your eye open for telltale ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, grapeseed extract and green tea. If I give you two options, take this glycerin which come from horns, hooves, feather and hair of animals, or the other one, the vegetable glycerin, sourced from soya or coconut oil. Which one would you like to apply on your skin? I don't think so. You would like to clog your pores and have the other acne issue or any kind of skin issue. Then you can glow with the plant-based ingredients. Collagen and elastin. These products are always derived from animal tissues and bones. Though beauty products aim to increase our own production of these cells in our skin and hair, there is a very little evidence that applying another animal collagen and elastin directly to our skin will actually help to do that. A vegan skincare typically contains plant-based antioxidant, natural oils and minerals, which save your skin cells from damage of skin radical. While the animal-based products, which claim to do the same job, have more chemicals, preservatives and toxins. Now, many skincare brands also formulating products that are chemical and paraben free, as these ingredients can turn out to be very harmful to the consumer in a long run. Make sure to research and invest in a product that ensure maximum benefits. The rising number of people are developing allergies to it due to the various processes that animal-based products have to go through. Would you choose a product that just a quick fix the skin and might be fast but without being noticed, such eventually passes through our bloodstream and without being detoxified by a liver or kidney, which can have adverse effect on our health? The choice is yours. Choose wisely when especially it comes to your health and skin. And guys, if I'm able to help you in any way, Then like this video, also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Stay tuned and tell me in the comment which is your favorite vegan brand. See you next time guys.